Hey speakers, stop over delivering. Are you a speaker who loves to give information and your expertise to hopefully transform your audiences? I was too, until I got certified in adult learning methodology and as a certified trainer. These two deep dive trainings gave me new insight how we as humans take in information, process it, and learn. I see so many speakers pack way too many concepts into their presentations without realizing that they're actually overwhelming their audiences and keeping them from taking action on anything. In my Be a Better Speaker workshop, I don't teach you what to say or where to hold your hands or how to tell a story. My workshop teaches you practical engagement techniques that will help you deliver your expertise in a way that will enlist, equip, and engage your audiences to want more and enable them to take action on what they learned. If you are a subject matter expert and this is your goal as a speaker, then this workshop is for you. 4 hours of highly experiential, inspirational, and practical information that you can put to work in any scenario that you're delivering your expertise. Whether you are a speaker, a workshop facilitator, or a corporate trainer, brand new or seasoned, this workshop will provide you with easy but not obvious, naturally delivered techniques that rally coherence and collaboration and ultimately audience engagement that inspires action. Hi, I'm Suzanne Tulien, speaker brand clarity expert, author, speaker, and certified trainer. If you're ready to transform your delivery to enlist, equip, and engage your audiences, then join me at my next Be a Better Speaker workshop. Learn more about my next Be a Better Speaker workshop by clicking the link and enrolling today. It's a small class to ensure the powerful transfer of learning. I know you'll be glad you did.